Welcome back to Wheelcraft Studio, your go-to destination for everything on wheels. Today we are diving into the powerhouse that is the 2025 Volvo BBM 116 Bulldozer. This machine is built to handle the toughest terrains and the most demanding jobs with ease, delivering raw power, precision and advanced technology to revolutionize construction and earth-moving industries. Under the hood, this beast is powered by a high-performance turbocharged diesel engine that not only delivers exceptional horsepower but also focuses on fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. The engine is designed to meet stringent environmental standards while still offering the brute force required for large-scale operations. With an advanced cooling system and optimized fuel injection, it ensures peak performance even in extreme conditions. One of the standout features of the Volvo BBM 116 is its reinforced chassis and high-strength steel frame, which provide maximum durability and longevity. The undercarriage is engineered for superior traction and stability, making it capable of handling rugged terrains without compromising on efficiency. Whether working on loose soil, rocky landscapes or steep inclines, this bulldozer remains steady and powerful. The transmission system is another highlight, featuring an advanced automatic transmission that allows seamless gear shifting. This enhances operator comfort while optimizing performance for various work conditions. Whether in high-speed grading or low-speed pushing, the machine adapts effortlessly, ensuring smooth operation across different terrains. Volvo has integrated state-of-the-art hydraulics into the BBM 116, giving it exceptional blade control and responsiveness. The intelligent hydraulic system enhances precision, making tasks like fine grading and heavy-duty pushing more efficient. Operators can achieve greater accuracy, reducing the need for rework and improving overall productivity. Comfort and ergonomics have not been overlooked. The cabin is designed with a spacious layout, equipped with an air suspension seat, climate control and a noise-reducing structure to ensure operators can work long hours without fatigue. The controls are strategically placed within easy reach, with an intuitive touchscreen display that provides real-time diagnostics, fuel consumption tracking and blade positioning for enhanced operational control. Safety is a major priority in Volvo's design philosophy. The BBM 116 is equipped with a 360-degree camera system, providing full visibility around the machine, minimizing blind spots and reducing the risk of accidents. Advanced stability control ensures the bulldozer remains balanced even on uneven surfaces. Additionally, emergency stop features and automated braking systems add extra layers of safety for operators and workers on site. Volvo has taken a step forward in automation and connectivity with this model. The BBM 116 comes with integrated telematics that allow fleet managers to monitor the bulldozer's performance, maintenance needs and fuel efficiency remotely. With real-time data analytics, operators can optimize usage schedules to reduce downtime and extend the machine's lifespan. The blade configuration on this bulldozer is another talking point. It features a high-capacity multi-angle blade that allows for different cutting depths and angles, making it versatile for different job requirements. Whether pushing large amounts of material, spreading aggregates or performing precision grading, the blade adapts seamlessly to the task at hand. Fuel efficiency has been enhanced with Volvo's innovative Eco mode, which adjusts power output based on workload needs. This helps reduce fuel consumption without compromising performance, making the BBM 116 a cost-effective choice for businesses looking to maximize profitability while lowering operational costs. The undercarriage design includes heavy-duty track links with reinforced rollers that improve traction and extend the lifespan of the components. The suspension system ensures a smooth ride even on uneven surfaces, reducing wear and tear on both the machine and the operator. For maintenance, Volvo has made servicing easier with centralized lubrication points, easily accessible filters and a diagnostic system that alerts operators of potential issues before they become major problems. This proactive maintenance approach minimizes unexpected breakdowns and keeps the bulldozer in top condition for extended periods. Noise and vibration reduction technology has also been implemented, making the BBM 116 one of the most operator-friendly bulldozers in its class. The cabin insulation dampens external noise significantly, while vibration control systems further enhance the comfort level for the operator, ensuring longer working hours with minimal fatigue. The lighting system has been upgraded with high-intensity LED work lights, ensuring maximum visibility during night operations or in low-light conditions. This not only improves efficiency but also enhances safety, especially in busy construction sites. Another important aspect is the BBM 116's adaptability to various attachments from rippers to specialized blades and dozing tools. This bulldozer can be customized for specific job requirements, making it a truly versatile piece of machinery for different industries including mining, road construction and land clearing. Volvo's commitment to sustainability is evident in the design of this model with reduced emissions, fuel-saving technology and longer-lasting components. The BBM 116 is not just powerful but also environmentally responsible. Businesses can benefit from lower fuel costs while reducing their carbon footprint, making it a win-win for both efficiency and sustainability. With all these features, the 2025 Volvo BBM 116 Bulldozer stands out as a top-tier machine for those who require power, precision and durability. It combines cutting-edge technology with tried and tested reliability, making it a worthy investment for construction companies and contractors. That's all for today's deep dive into the Volvo BBM 116. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay updated on the latest in the automotive and heavy machinery world, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews only on Wheelcraft Studio.